Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Is your iPhone stuck on the home screen and not responding? Can't open apps, swipe, or tap anything on the screen? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several effective ways to fix that. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This can quickly clear temporary glitches and refresh the system without deleting your data. Quickly press and release the volume up button, volume down button. Then press and hold the side button, keep holding until you see the Apple logo. But if it's still stuck, move on to the next method. Method 2. Use Siri to test responsiveness. If Siri is enabled, try saying, "Hey Siri, open settings." If Siri responds, your iPhone system may still be running normally, and the issue is more likely related to the screen or touch input. Method 3. Charge your iPhone for a while. Sometimes your iPhone may appear frozen on the home screen because the battery is too low or the system doesn't have enough power to respond properly. Connect your iPhone to a charger and leave it charging for at least 15 to 30 minutes. And in some cases, your iPhone may not be fully frozen. You can press the side button to turn the screen off and back on, see if the screen brightness changes normally. Or try using the volume buttons. If all above methods don't work, a professional iOS repair tool is often the best solution. Here I recommend TunesKit iOS System Recovery. It can fix many common iPhone issues, such as iPhone stuck on the home screen, iPhone frozen, or stuck on the Apple logo, black screen. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone with a USB cable, then open TunesKit on the main interface, select iOS System Repair and click Start. Choose Standard Repair first, since it can solve most issues without data loss. Click Repair, and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, your iPhone should restart normally and become responsive again. If Standard Repair doesn't solve the problem, you can also try Deep Repair. But keep in mind that Deep Repair will erase all data on your iPhone, so make sure to back up your device first if possible. Method 6. Update or restore iPhone using Finder or iTunes. If your iPhone is still stuck and you can connect it to a computer, you can also try updating or restoring it with Finder or iTunes. 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer. 2. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. 3. When the computer detects a problem, you'll see options to update or restore. Try updating first. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If update fails, you can choose restore, but this will erase everything on the device. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me which method worked for you.